Good morning. How y'all doing? We got a cup of Joe here. I'm your host, mkspext, accompanied with the co-pilot, Shyster Kribe, ONE, and this is...
Everybody, it's the fucking show. It's the fucking show. And he's your host with the most straight from the West Coast. It's the fucking show. It's the fucking show. It's the show. It's the show. It's the show. Pour yourself a drink. Hell yeah, the MK. The motherfuckers know.
Up, you know what I mean? Roll it up.
Oh, shit. We hit a vape pen. Whew. Oh, man. Damn. What's going on here?
Got it! Tell me.
Let me just, let's see, where's my copy? All right, this is the verdict of the jury in indictment number 24CR1183, State of Georgia versus Eligio Bishop. On count one, how does the jury find? Count one is rape. Guilty. And count two, false imprisonment. Guilty. Count three, prohibition on nude or sexually explicit electronic transmissions. Guilty. Count four, prohibition on nude or sexually explicit electronic transmissions. Guilty. And count five, prohibition on nude or sexually explicit electronic transmissions. Guilty. All right.
Damn,
It is signed and dated by U.S. the foreperson. Correct. Thank you very much. All right.
Damn. Elio is about to do life to 25 with an L. Damn. I told you he was done. He's done. He's done.
Dumb nigga. That's what that nigga get, nigga.
Wait, Breeeza up here taking him to court. Let's get it.
I'm watching this shit right now, nigga. With that link I just sent you with that shit that says judge or leaves court fighting judge, nigga. Because this stupid ass nigga, after that two other shit, this nigga did an Instagram live for the jail, nigga, and the judge found out. Oh, this nigga just digging his own ditch. Smart dumb nigga. I'm gonna laugh some more.
Smart dumb nigga. Who's next? He gonna do more time than Polite. And now, behind the motherfucking door. Let's get it. All right, from LA to the UK. Your Majesty, no other than UK WALLY. Let's get it.
UK WALLY, what's going on? Auto news. There's some stuff all over the internet that there is a infamous possible, we say allegedly, a possible tape that's leaked out with Diddy, Usher, and Meek Mills doing some.
Wait, break, brother. It's too early in the damn morning for this type of motherfucking shit to my eardrums about them.
Now we can do this the easy way or we can do it the hard way. The choice is yours.
Once I seen that big ass bed in Diddy backyard, I already knew what it was.
Weird fruit booty activity. Oh Lord. And now I'm hearing that Meek Mills was in a car accident that's left him unconscious. I don't know if this is true. This is what's going on the internet.
Damn. Go ahead, Wally.
Hello everybody, it's your beloved brother UK WALLY doing some cerebral news, whatever. Oh God.
Get to it,
This
nigga.
is very diabolical. UK WALLY cerebral news. Yes. I don't know what the hell is going on. But I'll tell you, this is not looking good at all, brothers and sisters. I don't know what to tell you, but this is very diabolical. This is some crazy stuff. This little raw thing that they came out, this lawsuit against Diddy. Excuse my expression, I'm sorry.
Oh, it seems like Wally been fucking all night. He been fucking all night. You see, he needs some rest. Right?
I'm trying to yawn whenever I just worked a whole bunch of hours not too long ago. But that little Rod done opened up the floodgates of all this crazy shit about Diddy and
Alright, he talked about Diddy and Little Rod. All that sounds suspect. I'm just saying.
Usher, Meek Mills, and Stevie J. Stevie J did a infamous tape with a snowman. Oh Lord. He did.
Wait. So Wally, you saying it's one of those situations somebody gave a choice?
Now we can do this the easy way or we can do it the hard way. The choice is yours.
I don't want stardom like that, nigga.
Because everybody knew about Stevie J did an infamous tape with Eve, way back in the day, whatever.
Yeah, they told us that Eve, she like the Blanco dildo. Blanco.
But they say no, Stevie J got a video with I always thought something was on.
Wait, Wally. Hold on. I got something to say. Hey, Eve had that short hairstyle, and all you chicken hair bitches was trying to cut your shit off and put little Paw Bear, kitten track, fox prints and shit on your goddamn body, right? But I was like, it was Eve. But when she put that motherfucking weave in her hair, shit! Transformation, boy, shit. I digress. Go ahead, Wally.
Off of that motherfucker, Stevie J, something was weird about him. Because what was that girl named Jocelyn Hernandez had said some things about him.
Jocelyn, woo. Ain't that the 304 for Babylon? Sniff, sniff. Sniff, sniff. Sniff. Nigga, Puerto Rican princess, man. Let's keep it a buck, man. When Jocelyn Hernandez came out, we was like, she's straight off of Santa Monica. She's one of them chicks, right? You know she got a nan, but you don't know how long she had a nan. You feel me? Puerto Rican princess to show you them boobs, boy. Right? What's the Zeus Network, man? She took over that with a little sniff with James. Hey, mkspext ain't gonna lie to you and shit. Right? Nigga, I know drug head bitches and shit. And she act like a drug head bitch. You know how I know? Because drug head bitches like to take off their clothes. They hot. They hot, man. She's a part of the problem. Had you ladies sit up there with your daughter watching that, both of y'all like, who, I'm in the quest to be a bad bitch. The bad bitch. Bad bitch. Right? Same thing was going on with Sean Puffy Combs, right? He'll take you in the studio, then the rest is history. Stevie J brought her in, man, she must have gobbled him up like a fucking, I'll say a TS. Oh man, he getting slobbered up. He's like, man, yeah, baby, I'm gonna make you a star. Keep doing what you're doing. Tell you about Atlanta. Oh snap.
And some weird stuff and whatever. But yeah, this is some crazy stuff. Diddy, Usher, and Meek Mills have a infamous tape that has leaked on the end.
Can we say one thing right? Allegedly. I don't want to know nothing about that. That's disgusting and shit. Let's keep it a buck. We already know, man. Puffy a little nasty, right? We already know. Some of you niggas suck toes. Some of you niggas toss salad. Some of you niggas like some of you niggas. Shit, I sure in the fuck did, right? Got Brother Wally up on here. From LA, nigga, to the UK. Your high exalted has spoken. UK motherfucking Wally. By the way,
Everybody is the fucking show.
there you have it. Ignorance at its motherfucking finest. And anything less will be uncivilized.
Hell yeah, MK. The motherfuckers know.
Before I go, man, I want to thank you subscribers, man. Y'all pushing the show up, all the way up. It's been a minute since I seen my channel subscriptions accelerate like this. I think the last time I seen some phenomenal growth on the channel was when I went down there to the Rolling 60s with Nipsey videos. But now, man, damn, I will take 100 subscribers every 2 to 3 days. Let's get it. All right, I need a favor from you. I need you to hit that subscribe button. If you ain't broke right now, you got your taxes, I need you to hit the Cash App. Cash App $XPEXT. You'll know you in a place where you see my face, right? I need you to go to this channel right here and go to the playlist. Yeah. I need you to roll up a fat one. I need you to check out some Ass Kicker Supreme 13. Right? And indulge yourself into this ignorance at its finest. Right? If you can't see and you blind and you just like the audio stuff, well, you can get that too over there on Spotify for podcasters, aka Anchor. Yeah, I've been fucking with Anchor for the longest and shit. I go over there 11:30, leave 3:30 in the morning, just like that congressman dude, right? I've been fucking with Anchor, man. I know Anchor like your motherfucking mama and shit. We've been rocking together for a minute. Yeah, since 2018. Some very glorious motherfucking episodes over there, right? So if you a wingman, salute your wingman too. Ladies, get your ass over here too on Saturdays. I got some shit for you. We get ladies night and it feels right. We together, we gonna talk about these niggas and shit. You already doing it. Y'all already doing it. That's why I had to make the Wingman Chronicles, because niggas didn't have shit to talk about and shit, right? A spokesman, a sponsor, a representative, right? Got that over there. Sunday, we'll go higher learning. We'll go higher learning with a nigga sermon on Sunday, right? But I got some new doo-doo. Yeah, I got some new doo-doo. On Mondays, nigga, we be playing the shit out this T.I., nigga. That motherfucking motivation. Motivational Mondays, we gonna motivate your motherfucking ass up to be a better person. Nigga, I'm putting in super work, nigga. I'm fucking 3 SSBBWs in a twin bed. All right. Support your Negroes. And yes, that is the sound of the police in the background. All right. Show your hate or your love to the S, the H, the O dub. Nigga, we out.